collect my wife. Kevin's got an unboxing to do.
Yeah, well, it was more of an accident than anything because I forgot to go cancel it, but that's okay. HelloFresh.
Not sponsored.
No, not sponsored.
Unfortunately.
I went and looked, and there's only 2 things that they didn't provide for this, and that's oil and pepper, from what I gathered.
Yeah, that's not too bad.
So what do we have? First one, cheesy pork enchiladas and DIY enchilada sauce.
Ooh, that looks yummy.
Okay, no, you hold the camera and I'll bring it to
All
you.
right. All right.
Okay? Because you're moving the camera on me.
All right.
Because I have the front view.
Ooh, that looks yummy.
I can see.
That's actually one of the ones that I wanted.
So this is the cheesy stuffed meatballs, and then baked chicken parmesan. Yeah.
Yeah, does it look good, bro? Brody, talk to your friends over here.
He's like, I want some. Buddy, there's nothing in here. I have something in the fridge for you for supper.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, what did we get? Oh, some gift friends a free box. Oh, well, that's cool.
Yeah. Cool. I have to look into that.
Yeah. Okay, that's the cheesy. I don't want to.
No, just open the one that you're going to make today.
I think I'm doing the first one.
Just show them everything that's in it.
Buddy.
Because
Oh,
we're doing another 3-week.
go ahead, just stick your nose
Not
in
we.
there. Hey, you're gonna fall.
Well, you told them to.
You're gonna fall. Yeah.
Kevin's doing another 3-week series.
We have some wraps, some all-purpose flour, Syrah. I think that's
Cilantro.
Some cheese, sour cream, onions, taco. I think that's like a taco seasoning. Yeah, Mexican seasoning. Chicken broth. And not so fresh green pepper. It's a good thing we're cooking it.
It's fine for cooking.
Yeah. So that's what we are doing for this week. Hey, buddy.
Yeah, a little heads up on the cooking with Kevin.
Hey, now underneath, these are the bags for the other meals, is the meats. So the meats all come. So there's one lean ground. That should be the pork. That's the lean ground. And then chicken.
Yum.
Now, the thing I don't like, okay, they say chicken breast. Well, I guess they are. But I know last time when we got them from here, we were having chicken something, and it was chicken thighs.
No, that one's
That
chicken
is
breast.
not. It is actual chicken breast.
Yeah.
So that is it for the HelloFresh box for this week. I'm going to make sure I take these out now, get rid of them.
Put them in the freezer so we have them.
We like to...
Because we got rid of them last time.
Yeah, but I don't always eat them. But yeah. So that's it. We like to save these boxes too. So that's it.
So
The next 3 weeks is going to be this. Obviously, we're going to be cooking these for the next
3 days.
3 days. Today, tomorrow, which is when the video will be up, and then Friday, because I think we're having guests again on Saturday. So I'm sorry, buddy, but it's not for you. I know you think it's all for you.
All right.
So we will see you tomorrow in tomorrow's video.